Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Jamiel. What's up? Thank you for clicking my video. So today, since it's almost Valentine's Day, probably when this video is posted, it will already be Valentine's Day. I figured I'll do a Valentine's Day look. I was trying to do something on the pink side, but I couldn't find a pink I wanted. And I didn't want to buy one palette just for a pink. So I figured I'll do more of a red maroon type of look. What I created, just continue to watch the video and we'll get started. Alrighty, so as you can see, I've already done my face makeup a while ago. It's already done my face makeup, so I figured I would just focus on my eyes only to kind of make it a little easier, not too long of a video. So first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids. I am going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Jumbo Milk Pencil. No. The Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So I'm just going to go through and put this all over my lid. And then just get my finger and blend it out. I think what I'm going to do is do one eye first and then go back and do the next eye. Alrighty, so I'm going to use a couple different palettes for this look because I feel like I can't use just one full palette for this look. I think I'm going to use a couple of shades. So for the first palette, I'm going to use the MORPHE X JACLYN Hill, the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm going to use the shade Access, which is just a yellow-orange shade, just as my transition shade. What I'm going to do first is just go ahead and pack it on my outer corner. And then we're just gonna go through and just blend it out and pack it on as we're blending. So we can pack it all the way through. And then we're just gonna go through and blend it out. So since we have that done, add a little more on the inner part. Okay, so since we have that shade done and it's all blended out, my next step will be, I think I'm gonna do a red. I kind of want a maroon, so let's see. Okay, so next I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup, the NYX the Brights Cream Eyeshadow, and this one is in Bad Blood. So I want a maroon, and then I think I'm gonna follow it up with a like a bright red. I feel like the maroon will look really cute so far. So what I'm gonna do is add the maroon on my my lid, right over the yellow. Out just a little bit so there's not too many harsh lines. Alrighty, so the next step I'm going to grab, I got this from my BoxyCharm. This palette is the SUVA Beauty palette. So it has a couple different shades and it has this really pretty like maroon color. So let's first pack it on the lid. First, yeah, we'll do that. Blending brush. And then just blend all that out and grab a little more product. Alright, so now that I blended that out and added, look, the color, we're gonna go back into the Access shade and then just add a little more of that shade just to blend everything out. think what I'm gonna do is go to the Morphe 3502 palette. We're gonna open it. There we go. I think I'm gonna grab a little of the red just to bring a little more color to the look. Tap off the excess. Yeah, I think it's missing something. Palette in the shade VIP mixed with Coin. I like the two of these together because VIP can be a little bit too intense, and then Coin kind of balances it out. Do the second eye real quick, and then we'll do the bottom lash side. So we're going to go ahead and grab, oopsie, that's not right, and add the primer. I've primed the other side. We're going to go with an access shade again, and then just continue to pack it on all over the lid. All that is blended out, we are going to put the maroon on the lids. This product is hella dried out, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Harsh lines. Add a little more color if that helps. To me it does. I feel like when I blend it with a little more color, it blends faster. Palette from Morphe. We're just gonna grab this red here. Tap off the excess. A black liner from NYX. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On Stay On liner. Kind of want to do it on the inner, but also drag it a little bit on the lid. And we're going to go with the FAUX Blacks. This is going to be a eyeliner that is more of maroon color as well. So I'm going to do this one on my bottom lash line. Brush just to blend the access shade with that eyeliner that pits on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just tap it on first, and then I'll blend it. So I can't find my flat brush. I'm just going to use an angled brush. So I can't find what I need. So then I'm going to just cover up that eyeliner with the purple, and then just smoke it out. That, and then I'm gonna go with this one. Clean that a little bit. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the red from the Morphe 3502 palette. And just blend it. A little black and then my inner lash line. Let's do a bold lip with this, because why not? Okay, so I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips, the retractable lip liner. This is a Milani Cosmetics. I can't even see that. Hold on, let me have my glasses on so I can see what the name is. So the name on this one, I can't even tell. I'm that blind. I'll put it in the description of what name this one is. Just to say purple. The deep purple lip. So I can't remember if it's a gloss or if it's like a matte. But right now it looks glossy. So this is the finished look. I decided to go with a bow lip. I was gonna go with something simple like a gloss, but I'm like, nah. Let me do a bow lip because I don't think I've done a bow lip on my channel. I did the Rihanna red, but with a Fenty red, but so this is the finished look. Hope y'all love it. It's a totally different. That's what I'm gonna say. Different than normal. It's different, but I really like the way it came out. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my Mac so I can see how it looks. I like the way it came out. Totally different, but still a different Valentine's Day look than normal. Like I said, I did want to go with the pinks, but I was like, I'm not spending almost $40 for a palette, that one pink that I want to use. So I'm like, you know what, let's do something a little different, switch it up a little bit, and then do this. So yeah, I hope y'all loved it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I will list everything that I use, including what I have on my face, in the description below. I did use a couple of new products I just purchased the last couple of weeks to a month, I want to say, because what is it, February now? So yeah, a couple weeks to a month. I got some new foundations, some new like contour palettes and all that jazz. So yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Hope y'all love this video, and then also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then also like and follow all my pages. I'll list them below. I have Instagram, I have a Twitter, and I have a Facebook page as well. So if you guys don't follow me on those, please do, and enjoy your week. God bless. See y'all later. Bye.